Hello English learners. Today, we're talking about a common grammar puzzle. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Can you count money or furniture? If you said yes, we've got some fixing to do. Let's sort this out, with some laughs along the way. What are countable nouns? First up, countable nouns. You can count them one by one. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. These nouns have singular and plural forms. Can use a or an before them. Examples: car, a car, 2 cars, many cars. Idea, an idea, 2 ideas, a few ideas. Easy trick. If you can say 1, 2, 3 before it, it's countable. What are uncountable nouns? Now let's talk about the tricky ones. Uncountable nouns. These are things you can't count individually: rice, sugar, water, money, advice. You can't say 2 rices, 5 advices, a money. Why? They're like a big pile or mass. We measure them, not count them. Correct way: a piece of advice, not an advice. Some money, not a money. A cup of rice, not a rice. How to use them correctly. Here's the good news. You can make uncountable nouns work with the right words. Uncountable nouns: money, furniture, information, bread. Correct expressions: a lot of money, some money, a piece of furniture, some furniture, a bit of information, some information, a slice of bread, some bread. Memory trick: if you can't count it, use some, a piece of, a bit of, and you're safe. I need some water. Can I have some information? She bought 3 apples. He gave me some advice, not an advice. Great job. And that's how you tackle countable versus uncountable nouns. If you practice it, you will get it right. If you liked this lesson, smash that like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Can you name 3 countable nouns and 3 uncountable nouns? I'll be waiting to see your answers. See you in the next lesson.